Hey, good evening, everybody. Yes, welcome back to Mardy, and today I would like to show you the new replica of Europe continent in South Asia. So right here is in Phnom Penh city in Peng Huot area, and the infrastructure is completely look similar to the European style. So let me show you what we have here. And this just look like a lighthouse somewhere. It's really huge and really high too. Very nice bridge, and people just feeding. Wow, so many big fish inside. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Wow, such a lot of big fish there. Yeah, actually this is a very new areas in Phnom Penh, and local people here, they just come to visit this place sometimes, especially in the late afternoon before sunset. It is such a nice place. And there's another replica of the big one. It's right there. It's wonderful, isn't it? Wow, a lot of fish here in the water. Yeah. Oh, this look like Eiffel Tower, right? This look like the Eiffel Tower, but it is hidden by the bridge there. It's smaller than the Big Ben right here. So let's just move a little bit closely to their Big Ben. I mean, it is really the very good idea, to build this kind of things in the, in Phnom Penh city, in Phnom Penh capital Cambodia. So, for local people or someone who live far away, who never known or never been traveling to Europe or any part in of the world, I think this place is like one of the most interesting place to come to visit. Well, that's not real, but I mean, it's nice to see the replica, right here. Yeah, that's the Big Ben. It's a new Big Ben in Cambodia. Anyway, it's nice. Look at the other side over there. I mean, there's a very massive building that I think maybe is gonna serve as the conference hall or reception hall, or maybe when you have any function or party, you probably can hire the building over there. Yes, sir. So let's move to the next bridge over there. Okay. So I like that there are a lot of people come here to enjoy the photography. This is so beautiful. It just looks like the grapes plant, but it is not, I think. Okay, let's move to the bridge. Let's move to the bridge, buddy. Sa, come here. Careful, don't touch the metal, buddy. Uh-oh. Don't touch it. Wow, such a nice and big building at the other side over there. Look at that. And right here is the bridge. Oh, this looks like the Opera House in Australia, right? Look at that. Okay, let's climb the stair, everyone. Climb the stair, please. Okay. Nice sunset. The color of the cloud is just amazing. It's pretty red. Yeah, hello. Huh.
Hello down there.
Yeah, let's see when everything finished, because it just looked like a very small city in Phnom Penh, you know. Okay, I think this is a very small tour that I have done now, and I'm walking back to the car. Yeah, it's about to stop right now. Okay, hope to see you guys next video. Thank you very much.